Hello friends, in this lecture we are going to take a look a very interesting thing, that is drawing curves with pen tool, because all fun begins with curvatures that can be drawn with pen tool, isn't it? Well, let's see. So this isn't a rocket science. First of all, let's click at any point using the pen tool. Then again, let's come at this point and let's click at this point again. But this time, after clicking, don't leave your mouse. Hold your mouse and start dragging. And you can see our famous control handles, right? And you already know by now that these control handles control the curvature of a path, right? Just like this. Now again come here and it's showing a preview of how this curve will look. See? Now, whenever you click at a point and leave, that will remain as the anchor point. So for making it a curvature anchor point, you need to click and drag. That's it. So that's the difference of how to create a simple anchor point and how to create a curvature anchor point. See, just like this. And I know it's looking horrible with this thick stroke and all. Let me reduce it. Oops. Yeah, okay. Let's make it 2 points only. So this is how we can create a curve. Let's again do that, right? So click at a point and let's start dragging at the first point only. Yes, from our first point only we can create curve. Now say for example, well, not for this one, let's show for this one. Let me show you for this one. Say for example, you want to put another anchor point or another curvature anchor point here, but by mistake you have clicked here and you have started dragging, right? Now don't leave your mouse. Hold the space bar key and drag. See, now you can drag, or now you can move your anchor point just like this. And if you are satisfied, then just leave the space bar. See? So this is just a simple trick that you can remember. And in our next lecture, of course, we are going to reveal some more tips and tricks that are associated with pen tool. But for now, I am thinking of creating a leaf. Yeah, this shape reminds me of leaf. This is a terrible leaf, I know. Let me delete it. Now select the pen tool and let's draw a leaf. So first one, this anchor point, let's drag it like this. Just like this. Next, just come here at this point. Yup, just like this. And I will share with you one trick, and the trick is okay. And the trick is, never make this fill on. Always work on outline mode when you are creating these shapes, because you know what? Say for example, again let's create this leaf like this, and see what is going on. We are trying to draw this leaf, right, with the fill will be inside, but it is having a fill here. So that's not what we want, right? So it might confuse you sometimes. So for this reason, just work in outline mode. Now if you are thinking that how to work with outline mode, well, I will correct this shape, but if you are thinking how to work with outline mode, press Ctrl Y or Command Y to work on outline mode. Now the interesting thing is that you can control this control handle. See, now it is looking good, right? Yeah. And I'm just working with direct selection tool to make it look like leaf. Now when you are done, again press Ctrl Y or Command Y to leave the outline mode. And of course we need to change the color of these leaves. Let's make it this color. Make it this color. No. Select this one and make its color something else. Say this one. Okay. Okay friends, so what are the things that we have learned here? That is how we can draw a curve. Again, select the pen tool, click at a point and drag. Click at a point and drag. And remember, when you have just clicked, you have just created an anchor point. But when you click and drag, you have created, or you are creating, an anchor point with anchor handles, which controls the curvature of that path. Okay. So that's it. Okay. Now, this working with pen tool is really very interesting. You know why? Because while drawing only, we can control our control handles using the direct selection tool, and also we can control the anchor points, where to place that anchor point. Yes friend, and there are many secrets that I will reveal in our next lecture, where we will see some important tips and tricks regarding pen tool, which will help you in your projects in your near future. Okay, so that's it guys. Here I am concluding this lecture. See you in the next lecture. Till then, have fun. Take care.